You're watching Noggin 4Kids TV on Teon Stevenson Television.
Oh my gosh, April 14th is my birthday. And it's also spring. I hope my friends have setting up a party for me.
Hey guys, we brought the presents for the birthday girl.
That looks wonderful, I see. Thanks. We need those for the presents to be opened by her because she was going to come in about a few minutes.
Look guys, Diana is coming.
Good. Thanks, Emily. Alright everyone, Dana's gonna come here any minute, so we're gonna surprise her when she gets here.
Hello, is anyone there?
Surprise!
Yay! You set it up a birthday party for me.
We sure did, Dana.
We've decorated the clubhouse just for you.
Happy birthday, Dana. We brought you a special cake.
I'll blow the candles.
So Dana, what did you wish for?
I wish you guys to hang out with me more often.
I know we can spend some time with you, and we also got presents for you.
This present is from me, Odie, Rhodey, Dog, and the STEAM team.
Oh boy, I love flowers. I love how the flowers smell. Achoo! Bless me, I have allergies.
At least it's only a gift.
We hope you love them.
Here you go, Dana. This is a good present for my awesome sauce band, the Celebritunes.
Come on guys, let's all have fun with the birthday girl.
That's a lot of fun.
Looks like we've got to head back for a big surprise.
Thanks for spending time with me, guys.
You're welcome, Dana. Oh, and we also got something for you.
It's from us.
Wow, a cupcake. I love cupcakes.
Well, Teon just made the cupcakes for you.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you, Teon.
It was my pleasure, Dana. And as a matter of fact, there's cupcakes for everybody.
I love these cupcakes.
I love celebrating birthdays together.
Well, as a matter of fact, who needs a birthday crown without wishing a happy birthday?
Happy birthday, Dana.
You're the best friend we've ever had.
Now this is the best birthday ever.
Whoa, that is one big juice carton.
Yep, it sure is big.
How are we gonna get big again?
Well, it sure is big, but we don't know why.
Look! Popping out of the bushes. Is it a bug? Is it a squirrel? No! It's Opposite Bunny!
Hey Ashley, look how fast this train can go.
That train is really fast. Oh no, look over there.
It seems like the train is headed straight to the broken track and the broken bridge. And there's people in there. Who's going to save them?
Here he comes, the Opposite Bunny.
Mamma mia! Look at that! We're slowing down!
And it looks like we've stopped.
First, the train went very fast as it can go.
Now the train is slowing down and it's stopped.
That's incredible. Stop and go are opposites.
And fast and slow are opposites as well.
Then that must mean stop and go, fast and slow are double the opposites.
Right, Teon.
How does that bunny do it?
Awesome sauce. Who was that cute bunny?
That was the opposite bunny.
Now that's more like it.
Now that is a good, fun size for us.
I kind of like it.
I'm glad we had coupons.
And we hope that everything is back to normal. But wait, where's Dana?
Surprise!
Oh dear, now Dana is tiny. We need to find a way to bring her big again. Any ideas?
One of these things is not like the others. One of these things doesn't belong. Can you tell which thing is not like the other by the time I finish this song?
Wow, Hong Kong Fooey, you're really good at running on the treadmill.
That was really impressive.
Well, thank you guys. I would like to keep this up.
I wonder who's at the door. I got a package here for Casey Penguin. Why, thank you. Have a good day.
Don't tell me what to do.
Rude. Okay, let's see what we got. A jet engine toy. That brings me back so many memories. But Casey, what are you doing? I just got a new jet engine toy. Cool. You want to see something bigger? Yes. Show it to me. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show my friends this really cool jet engine. Here they are now. Hey Red, what you got there? It's a really big jet engine. What does it do? It goes really, really, really fast, like Sonic. Cool. And it has a lot of fuel in it. So if I tell you guys, do you promise not to touch it? Oh yes, we won't touch it. Good. I need some help carrying a lot of books. Quickie, do you want to help me? Sure, Red. Alright, Casey, we'll be back. Alright. Man, that jet engine is really neat. But I don't want to touch it because Red promised me. But I'll just take a look. No. Let's do. If I can make the jet engine move, I'll go faster. Okay, I'll give it a shot. Listen to the engine purr. Uh-oh, what have I done? I gotta tell the others about this. If they see it, they're upset. I gotta hide. Maybe running on a jet engine is a bad idea. We're gonna straighten you out. This'll fix you. Let's get to that one. Holy cow, did you see that? Yeah, that's the burglar who's hijacking the jet engine. We must get him. Come on.
I need to stick on the paper chain. Thanks.
I think everyone is going to love this. What's that?
Pablo!
I don't think that's Pablo.
Perhaps not.
Wow, I've never seen this thing go so fast like this before. Whoa, now that is one fast jet engine.
You can't say that again, Dad.
Did you guys hear that?
What's going on?
It seems like it's coming from outside.
Isn't that a jet engine outside?
You know, I had no idea. There is no jet engine outside.
See you, bird. See you, bird.
What on earth? I watch it.
Oh my gosh, it is a jet engine.
How long does this jet engine stop fueling? Finally. Glad that's over. Freeze! Go to ground now! told her ask me. I didn't steal this. It was all Red Robin's idea. You're not talking about him.
Are you okay? That was a fast jet engine.
Yes, I'm okay.
That jet engine is really dangerous all over town.
We have to agree with that.
Boy, Red and Quickie are going to be mad about this. Well, what you did to the jet engine is really, really dangerous.
This could have been awesome sauce more on less.
We're glad he learned his lesson. Maybe we should put this back where it belongs.
I believe so.
Well, we must think before we test out the jet engine.
Well, we agree with you, Teon. Hey, Teon, you're teaching the cat to play the instruments?
Well, yes, I did.
This cat was so talented.
Sure is. I bet the musicians would love this.
I love spring. Being again with my animal friends who slept through the winter. Bears, chipmunks, skunks, bats, porcupines, marmots, and let's not forget welcoming back the southern birds. Carolina chickadees, blue jays, American robins, downy woodpeckers, and of course, the northern cardinal. Oh my gosh. Oh, I get it. Cardinal. Cardinal. Man, I must be dreaming. This is the weirdest spring experience I have ever seen.
I gotta go. Close the door, will ya?
Hey, mind the door.
Don't forget to close the door.
I'm going home. Close the door.
Be sure to close the door on the way out.
Remind me to keep the door closed.
I'm about to leave now, so close the door while you're at it.
Okay, guys, I'm leaving now. Be sure to close this door. It needs to be closed.
Dana, close the door! Ah!
Did you close all the way?
Yeah.
Passing the phone to my favorite sister, Lucy.